How to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Crypto.com. Transferring cryptocurrency from Robinhood to Crypto.com is a straightforward process. Begin by ensuring the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer is supported on both platforms. Log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the Crypto section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and choose the Send option. Robinhood will prompt you to enter the destination wallet address, which you need to obtain from your Crypto.com account. To do this, log into your Crypto.com app, tap on Accounts, and then select the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Click on Deposit to generate a unique wallet address for that cryptocurrency. Copy this address and return to Robinhood, pasting it into the designated field. Review the transfer details carefully, as any errors may result in the loss of funds. Once confirmed, complete the transaction. Be aware that processing times and fees may vary, so keep an eye on both accounts to ensure the transfer is successful. And that's all for this video. Thank you.